Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will manage bars in Gantt chart view. Click on bars to open bars option or right click on the Gantt chart and choose bars. You can customize the bars at bar style, bar settings and bar label. Now let's customize some bars. I would like to add activity name next to each bar. And I should check the display cell to display the bars in the Gantt chart. After finishing, click Apply and OK to see the changes. I will save the layout as schedule print layout for my easy access. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.